How to enable Data Saver in Facebook Messenger. So first of all, you have to open the Facebook Messenger and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner and select the settings icon in the top right corner. Inside the settings menu, scroll down until you find the option of Data Saver. That is between notification and sound and photo and media's option. Tap on it. Here, simply enable this feature. And enabling this feature will allow you to click to download images and videos while using mobile data. You can also turn off this feature simply by clicking the toggle switch. And when it's on, you will see that the option for clicking to download images and videos when using the mobile data is enabled. Congratulations, you've successfully enabled Data Saver in Facebook Messenger. So that's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, leave a comment, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.